we are signing off from the second chapter of our college.
In this video, I'm going to wake up at 5 am in the morning for a morning walk and also for a little get together with my family. Beside this, I'm also going to do some cooking while preparing for my last exam of the college and talking about my procrastination habit. Additionally, on the last exam of my college, I also went to attend a wellness workshop. So without wasting your time, let's just start the video.
Good morning, everybody. I woke up at 4:30 am in the morning. Today we are going on a morning walk today, and it's 5 am in the morning. Skies are completely blue. The air is fresh. And what are you waiting for? तो बेसिकली मॉर्निंग वॉक तक आने के लिए ठीक है, बट अपनी बहन को ज़बरदस्ती मॉर्निंग वॉक पर लाने के बाद उसकी शक्ल ऐसी लगना इज़ द वाओ. लेट्स गो.
हाले हाले शाम जब छाने लगी, मुझे तेरी यादें सताने लगी.
One selfie, sir, please, one selfie. One photo.
यादें सताने लगी, तेरी यादें हैं तेरी.
भाई पूरी रात जाग के मॉर्निंग वॉक पे आई है. ये हेल्दी मॉर्निंग वॉक नहीं है. Morning guys, I'm back home. I'm having a water. I am back from morning walk. Yes, मैं गई थी और फिर वहाँ से आने के बाद मैं सो गई. And I'm having a water right now. The other thing in our to-do list is going to make idli, but I don't know I am going to make idli or not, because it is something for which I have to ask my mom first, that is there all the ingredients available, and if not, then we are going to make any other thing available at home, because bhook to lag rahi hai. Let's see. We have figured out we are making an aloo frankie today from whole scratch. I never made it, by the way, but I am going to make it today. Let's see what I am gonna make it. Can I be able to make it? It's a challenge. Let's see. Is there change in plans? वैसे रैप बहुत ही ज़्यादा ही डिलीशियस बना था, बहुत ही टेस्टी बना था, जो कि मैं ऑलरेडी खा चुकी हूँ. एंड आई एम गेटिंग रेडी फॉर वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू मीट माई सिस्टर आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग टू माई जीजूज हॉस्पिटल. लेट्स कम अलॉन्ग विद मी. We are at RD City. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ खाने के लिए just a little get together. Let's see. Mom. Now we are at DIY.
Goya.
A few moments later.
I'm actually thinking about to buy this coffee sheet mask. Tell me in the comment which sheet mask is nice. Wow. Let's go.
हाले हाले शाम जब छाने लगी.
Hey guys, good morning. It's 8 am in the morning and we are having a lot of water today. Yesterday it was a kind of a very good day. I kind of wanted to get together. It was amazing. We met her and Jiju after so long, and इसी के साथ the update is today it's 7th June and tomorrow I have my exam. कल मैंने सोचा था मैं पढ़ूंगी, but I couldn't be able to. वहाँ से आने के बाद I was very tired, so I just slept off. Today I woke up itna late and I have to study today because I have just one day to prepare for tomorrow. Well, the exam is kind of easy. It is the exam of English communication and then I'm done. Like उसके बाद मेरा कोई एग्ज़ाम नहीं है, but कल के लिए पढ़ना पड़ेगा. It is going to be the last exam of second year and then second year ख़त्म. I'm having a watermelon right now. If you want to learn something how to procrastinate, then talk to me, contact me, because I am the champion of procrastinator. I sat down here to study, and guess what I ended up doing? I ended up editing a video, I ended up reading a book, and I ended up writing a script but not study. And I think now I'm not going to study right now because I am feeling quite sleepy and hungry at the same time. So we are going to do some stuffs now to make myself active, or having a cup of coffee can also work. And after that I'm thinking about to study. So the point is, just stop procrastinating and start studying, because मेरे एग्जाम्स तो हो गए, but अब तुम्हारी बारी है. Hi everybody, it's 5 p.m. in the evening, and if you are someone who want to eat something chatpata, healthy and easy to make, then I have something for you. I am going to make a desi lazy salad, which is a recipe from Tarini Thakur, and today we are going to make it with an easiest way, because I am also hungry and I want to eat something healthy and easy to make, which will not take a lot of time of mine. So come, let's make it. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये जो हमारे पास बाउल है, ये बाउल बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटा है. सो वी नीड टू टेक एन अनदर बाउल. ओके, दिस इज द बाउल दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक नाउ. वी हैव इन दिस to do a taste test. Let's do it. It is actually very nice. Like, you add some paneer and some soya in it to make it more healthy if I had some more time.
So, I've made 12 and अभी आ गया कि मैं इसमें garlic तो डाला ही नहीं. I am ordering dark chocolate in the fridge.
Finally studying. Yes, याद आया कि मैं I forgot to record, जिसको मैं सुबह से अपडेट दे रही हूँ कि मैं पढ़ नहीं रही हूँ. I think you guys deserve that. Right now I'm studying. You know the English communication level 4 is very easy. Like, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कभी कभार ये सब पढ़ते हुए कि यार मैं सच में कॉलेज में हूँ, मैं कॉलेज सेकेंड ईयर में हूँ. क्योंकि what is the syllabus? Vocabulary building, word formation and understanding prefix suffix. Like, what the एग्जाम में तो मुझे टॉप करना चाहिए. I am trying to cover whole syllabus in just 1 hour. This is a challenge to me, and most of the time I couldn't be able to win the challenge, but it's a challenge, just a challenge. इसकी वजह से शायद कुछ तो complete हो ही जाएगा syllabus. Let's see what's gonna happen. I have just 1 hour to syllabus to complete it. Otherwise I have to study in the night again today also. Like, very low frequency. Okay, so while I am studying this, like, this should be something very basic, but I actually get to know something very surprising and important that I didn't know before. Is like, when you are in your mother's womb, you started listening. Think like whatever the repeated words your mom is saying when you are in a womb, you start listening. Like, your listening even start before your birth. That's something crazy and something very new to me. Yeah.
Bathroom. मेरे घर से बनाई है mirror. We have a bathtub. This is the washroom. There's a room. I love rooms. Shower, and this is the main room. Sorry if I look a little bit tired. I've had like a raging.
The terrace right now. The weather is so perfect to sit or to stand or to roam around my terrace.
And I'm very excited to see him.
Guys, good morning. It's another day. Today I have my exam and I just woke up. I'm kind of late, but I'm going to get ready and then I will leave the home at 7:30 or maybe at 7:45 to not get late in the last exam of my college, at least, because it is going to be the last exam. इसके बाद कोई exam नहीं है, इसके लिए मुझे कोई exam नहीं देना. It took a freaking 1 month to take the exams. Like, what the problem it is. पूरा 1 महीने तक हम सब एग्ज़ाम माइंड में बस यही चल रहा था, बट फाइनली वी आर डन विद इट एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू व्हाट वी वांट टू डू आफ्टर दैट. सो लेट्स गो, लेट्स गेट रेडी फॉर द लास्ट एग्ज़ाम ऑफ सेकेंड ईयर. फाइनली एट द कॉलेज. मैं वैसे टाइम पर पहुंच गई हूँ एंड 15 मिनट अर्ली इन द एग्ज़ाम. लाइक 15 मिनट पहले पहुंच गई हूँ मैं. दिस इज़ मोर देन इनफ. And yeah, let's go. All the very best to me and to you also if you have exam today. Exam done and we are here to do some guys, exam done. It went good. मेरा exam तो 1 घंटे में ही हो गया था, but it took me a lot of time. But it's okay. We are signing off from the second chapter of our college and now we are going to the 3rd year.
And after giving my last exam, I also went to attend a women wellness workshop organized at Small Miracle Child Hospital. And after coming back home, I
having a
ordered
tiramisu. It is very yummy and it has a sign of this Zapto cafe in it. Yeah, so we are having it. And with this, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. मैंने उल्टी टी-शर्ट पहन रखी है, इसके लिए माफ़ करना. And okay, bye. See you soon.